The goal for this program is not to update you on the newest stuff, but to make you future-proof. That means learning how a mixer works or how to navigate through a digital audio workstation. My name is Sandra Gonzalez. I am 18. I am from Moses Lake, Washington, and I am a music tech major. It's a little scary being the only one in my family to go to college. My family has been really supportive of the major I chose and the career I want to pursue. In my future, I see myself spending a lot of time in a studio, and this room feels kind of like a safe space. Having that safety and comfort from a room that kind of goes with your passion is just really fulfilling. I've had a bunch of opportunities to work hands-on, even outside of the studio. For a sound recording class, Professor Robertson gave us the opportunity to set up the mics for the wind ensemble concert. He kind of showed us how you'd record and how you'd mix the mics, because there's multiple mics on the stage. Knowing that process, we know what they want in their sound. To be able to incorporate that with how the mic is set up, the gain staging, everything, it kind of glues it all together. The profession is very hands-on, and to have that experience here, you're very connected to the job that you're looking for. Once you actually start the job, you'd be like, okay, I got this. This feels familiar. It's a really wonderful way to be taught.